Hanvy Machinery is located in the beautiful coastal city Weihai, Shandong, China, about 260 kilometers away from Qingdao Seaport. With more than 30 years production experience, Hanvy has been a professional enterprise who specializes in the research, development, production, and marketing of veneer and plywood machines. We offer customers a one-stop shop, from a single machine to turnkey project. Cover the entire production process, especially the full automatic production line. Our entire range comprises machines like wood log cutting line, log debarker, veneer peeling and clipping machine, Veneer Dryer, glue spreader, plywood cold press, hot press machine, plywood edge trimming saw, and other woodworking machines like four-side molder. Hanvy Machinery has won praise from overseas customers for its high-quality products and intimate service. We have passed ISO 9001 Certificate of Quality Management System certification. The main products have obtained CE certification. The qualified products have been sold to more than 60 countries and regions in Asia, America, South America, Europe, Middle East, and Africa. We always offer the best solution for your regional needs. Our experienced engineers are available for machine installation, commissioning, and training. We are surely able to provide the enjoyable one-stop purchasing experience to our clients. Hanvy Machinery is committed to enable customers to create value in forest assets by supplying technologies and services for profitable and sustainable production of veneer and plywood. We are Hanvy Machinery. Warmly welcome your visit.